The biggest mistake I see developers and data scientists are making right now is trying to find one AI to rule them all. They ask, should I use Claude or Gemini? They're asking the wrong question. In my workflow as a full stack engineer, I don't pick one. I treat them all as a senior developer and product strategist. One builds, other thinks. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I split my day 3 tasks to maximize efficiency without compromising code quality. Okay, when it comes to raw implementation, the actual how Claude 3.5 Sonnet is currently unbuildable for Python and TypeScript. Its understandings of library-specific syntax like polars and complex React hooks is incredibly precise. Notice how I am not just asking it to clean data, I am giving it specific schema and asking for a high performance transformation. Claude doesn't give me the answer, it gives the most idiomatic way to write it. Okay, now here where Gemini means if I ask Claude for an imputation method, it gives me code. If I ask Gemini, it asks me about the business impact. Gemini's strength lies in its massive context window and its ability to connect dots across large data sets. I'm feeding it this 50-page industry report and my data dictionary. I'm asking based on the specific industry constraints, which imputation method minimizes our risk for seasonal bias. Gemini isn't just a coder, it's a consultant. Okay, now let's look at the difference. Claude gave me the perfect optimized KNN imputer script in seconds. Gemini gave, however, pointed out for this specific data set a KNN imputator, which would be computationally too expensive for our production environment, and suggested an iterative imputator with the Bayesian ridge regression instead. Claude is my hands, Gemini is my head, so they work together. If you want to move fast, use Claude, and if you want to move correctly, consult Gemini. Stop choosing and start integrating. If you found this workflow breakdown helpful, I have put the comparison chart and the specific prompts I used in the description below. In the next video, I'm going into my masterclass on prompt engineering, how to talk to these models so they actually listen. See you there.